We got this bag actually from Amazon. This is a Garment bag. It is, I think it's the 60-inch bag. I believe that after I got this one, I think I saw that there was a 66-inch bag. That might have worked a little better. But anyways, we got this 60-inch bag here. Just picked this up from Amazon. It's nice and thick and durable. I thought that this would be a really good way for her to store the dress in the meantime from now until April. So we're just going to, I guess, put it in here, and then I think it's going to be a good way, like for traveling and stuff, you know, when you're actually taking it to the church.
Nice and waterproof. So hopefully if it's raining, it won't get wet.
Right. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, but that's a good idea. Yeah, I'm sure that this is definitely a waterproof fabric, and so it'll keep it dry in case it happens to be one of those rainy April days, which you just never know. So anyways, let's get this into the bag.
He's here! What? He's here!
Okay, so the groom is here. We gotta do something quick. We were able to fold the train up nicely, and the bag is deep enough that it's not actually smashing the dress.
No, not at all.
But you were thinking
that probably a week before the wedding, I'll probably take it out and let it just hang and let it fluff up. And
I think that's going to work out great. The bag is nice. It keeps it well protected.
Yeah, there's a really nice handle that you can like hang on to.
Yeah.
You know, as you're like walking into the church like this. 8 months and 25 days.
That sounds about right. That's as much as we're going to show you for now. I guess we'll catch you guys all later.
See ya!